Hey guys, me again. Today I'm gonna return the football party for your one get grounded. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, class, it's time for recess. Everyone go outside except you 15. You keep making breaks in the classroom, so you will have to sit out and finish this math quiz. Hey, I have an idea. Let's escape the classroom and pull the fire alarm. Alright, guys, we're at the hallway. Alright, guys, we're in the hallway. Now let's pull the fire. Let's pull and get out of here.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Okay, everyone. Evacuate out of the building. Let's go. Phew. Everyone is safe. You rascals are in so much trouble. I saw you guys pull the fire alarm, and it could have scared everybody. That's it. I'm calling your parents. Oh no, we are so busted. Adorabat and your flip buddies. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. All of you are grounded until Super Bowser Logan is demonetized. And as a punishment, we will beat you up.
Oh, here we go again. Here we go again. Oh no.
Find out in the next episode of Cupcake. Hey, I was gonna say, What grounded video should I do
Oh
with
my
these
god.
characters?
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you next video.